I cannot believe someone is stuck in this snowstorm bullshit. Remember what happened about a couple years ago where me and my mother were trying to get home after going somewhere, and then my mother's van completely got stuck in this snow weather, and I couldn't even get out. The van couldn't even move at all. I had to cuss, and I was all pissed off, so I had to get a shovel, and then there was a police officer. Me and my mother were standing there for about a few minutes. I made 2 videos of it, just so you know.